Palibhasa puro batok ang nakita ng dalawa sa Oscars. Sila na lang daw ang gagawa ng paraan. Hinanap nila ang isa sa mga judges ng American Idol, si Randy Jackson.
Pare, pang Hollywood ako, pang Beverly Hills, hindi ako pang ghetto, no? Nervyoso. Nervyoso, gago ka ba? Total first time mo. Tingnan mo nga, puro mga pulubi yung mga nandito.
Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? Are you Randy Jackson?
No, it's not Randy Jackson.
Excuse me. Paano siya na yun? Ayun, no, how we go?
Propo, si Randy
Skits
Jackson,
lang yun.
mataba yun.
No, Randy Jackson. Maybe try Hollywood.
You want to call Fox, go on their website, set up an interview.
Internet.
Actually, we're a famous celebrity in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Very
sing
famous.
or rap, no?
Yeah, I do rap, I do
Yeah.
sing. And that's
Is it-
why we're here. We're going to audition for American Idol.
Is it okay if you will hear our piece of the... We'll sing.
Or audition
We can't
piece.
help
Yeah.
you, but if it makes you happy.
Mamang kay lupit, ang puso mo'y di na nahabag. Pag pumanaw ang buhay ko. Now, guy, drop it. This is in English. Come on. Go. There's someone there, to a stone, to a bird on a woody tree. What up? And the stone that was dry hit the wings of the flying bird. Because of the pain, the Tweety bird can't fly anymore. And what happened was the bird fell down like a madman who was gone down. Break it down. Motherfucker, son of a bitch, there's no more mercy left in your heart. Then when I die someday, my little Tweety bird will cry away. Then when I die someday, my little Tweety bird will cry away. What's up? What do you think, man? What's up?
Oh, I think you like it.
You like it?
You like it. Yeah,
What do you
right?
think, man?
Lalong lumalakas ang loob ng dalawa. The practice is now perfect. It's now time for the big thing.
Well, meron kaming auditions sa American Idol. Sorry, dream come true.
Yes, Jacob. You're asking whether we're going to pick up people or drop them off.
We're dropping.
Where are you guys going?
To American Idol Finals.
Idol.
Kahit nakasakay sila sa limousine, dahil walang passes, ni sa gate ng American Idol, hindi sila pinapasok. Disappointed ang dalawa, pero hindi nila pinahalata.
Sir, thank you.
Sir, we'll just wait for her outside. We'll just call and then probably come back.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you very much.
Actually, you can't just get in a network and bring in a camera and do a scene, for a movie. Oh my God.
Well, pare, alam mo naman na medyo sad po kami dahil hindi po kami nakapasok sa American Idol auditions. Even now, we tried our best to do our duties.
Pare, it's their loss, not ours. Huwag ka malungkot.
I know that. Kaya nga medyo sad po kami, depressed. Kaya medyo mag-unwind muna kami po sa Las Vegas only!
In short, maglulustay muna ho kami. Ha?
Oo. Pare, di ba may kasabihan po dito sa Amerika na you haven't been to America if you haven't been to Las Vegas. So, Las Vegas, here we come!
Well, alam mo pare, hindi mo na naitatanong. Nag-aral ako niyang filmmaking.
Oh?
Diyan sa Pakistan.
Sa Pakistan?
Pare, ang pinaka-importante diyan, yung establishing shots. Ha?
Kailangan mo ipakita yung highlights ng place.
Oo.
Di ba? Halos yung buong budget ng pelikula natin, binus natin lahat.
Actually, 500,000 establishing shots.
Kaya this is my way of welcoming you to Las Vegas, my friend. Viva Las Vegas! Cheers! Eh?
Talagang pet balu maglustay ang dalawa. Umarkila pa sila ng helicopter para mag-shoot ng establishing shots.
Vegas wasn't even in our itinerary, Maverick. Alam nyo yun. Pinagkakasya ko yung budget natin para lang, sabi mo, we will not be Hollywoodish if we don't go to Vegas. Tapos ganyan ang gagawin nyo. Paano mo mapapalabas yun? Puro ganon, wala kang makita. Para ka lang nasa Makati na ginanong-ganon mo yung... Ang laki-laki ng ginastos dun sa helicopter. Wala na akong pera. Kailangan na natin magtipid. Kung gusto nyo, umalis na tayo dito, doon na tayo. May kaibigan ako na nakatira doon sa isang subdivision, doon tayo matutulog.
So, hindi na tayo dito matutulog?
Hindi na, mag-impake na kayo.
My name is Joe Alfeche. I work here in America as a nurse. My wife is also a nurse. This morning I was really surprised when Elaine called me and her voice is kind of worried. So I went outside and saw two policemen with Ariel and Tatay. Okay.
Oh my God. You don't do it here. You sleep out.
Asan na si Ariel?
Ayun. Hindi. May nagreklamo lang.
Kaya lang tayo ginanong may tumawag na kapit
Kaya nga hindi mo alam, baka mamaya may union or something yan, itatawag yun, mayroong mga gago rito.
Kinuha yung passport number niya?
Na ano lang siya, sabi niya, para siya na-offend nung sinasabing hands up. Ako naka-hands up. Eto, yung ko, hinanap yung sapatos. Ako, doon siya nagalit. Akala niya, you're reaching for something. Ano kagad ako na sinabi, so this is your friend's house. Yes, kako.
Marami ka na, lumayas na tayo. Magpako kayo. Dali na, tara, let's move. We might get June into trouble pa. Alin na?
Pinadapa ako ng ganito.
Pinadapa ako ng ganito?
Oo. I just feel, what do you call this? Cold. No, I just feel sad because this is $150 and I don't want to... yeah.
Ayaw seryosohin ni Ariel ang nangyari. Pero sa mukha ng crew, nararamdaman na nila ang mga di magandang nangyayari. Parang domino. Sunod-sunod.
Ewan ko, di ba? Mga ganyan situations. Baka, is God saying for us to go and stop shooting or it's just part of the movie? I don't know.
Dahil kapos na sila sa budget, naisipan ni Ariel na gumawa na ng pagkakaperahan.
Excuse me, you want a picture with me?
Oh, I don't know. You look wow.
Just for $100 picture. Only $100. Oh.
Birds with feathers flock together.
Oh, are you an American citizen?
Yes.
Very good, because I'm not. Have you tasted Asian? Yeah, thank you.
Si Ariel, no? Parang gago.
Diba, the picture?
Anytime pwede siyang madampot dito.
Oh, picture, yeah.
Yun sa American citizen para mangikil ng tao dito.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Direk, may kakaabutan dun ah. Magkano yung binigay?
100.
Ha?
100.
100? Okay. Lante pala mga tao dito. Welcome to Las Vegas!
Are you American citizens? Okay, I like to marry American citizen actually. Yeah, I dance like that.
What's up, bro?
Who are you?
Huh?
What are you?
I'm Ravano.
Ravano.
Yeah.
Are you guys a group or something?
Yeah, he's Mulawi.
Pare, teka, ba't ka nakaganyan?
Ha?
Ingit ka, ano? What's your name? Are you,
Joe.
Barry Manilow?
Shit, man, no.
Sorry.
Hey, thanks, bro. Like our outfit? Sup?
$100.
Kahit kumita ng konti, dahil sa laki ng gastos at dahil wala ng ibang matitiran,